Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Martyn Lucas Investor Channel, where we go live every day for the opening and closing bell, breaking news throughout the day, and we bring you all the latest news as and when it happens and occurs live. This is our live portfolio. Let's get straight into it. And what a day today. This is where the market tests your mettle. And indeed, it's been testing my mettle this afternoon. We had a good rise, and I was absolutely 100% convinced that it would drop. I said it would. If you all know, I was 100% on that this morning. I said it would. And then what it did, it tried to shake me off. It went down a further. If we look at this here, it went down 2.5% down, nearly $1,000 down on my portfolio. In fact, more than that, 1,013 went down, and I knew at that point it was going to rally to the close. It could be our third week green on a Friday. Let's get straight into it. It's a test of mettle, all right. The markets are testing. There we go. Subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you are here. I knew it was going to go down. We know we're extremely bearish. We know we're selling off. But nevertheless, it really pushed hard to drive me down. You can see how far down it went there. And as you can see, it's back up now. I'm not expecting anything great. It could easily go back to flat. And flat would be a success as far as I am concerned. Any gain at all would be major. Anyway, you bought another share of Tesla. I was $1 away. $1 away. Let's have a little look at Tesla. I was set for $200 a share to buy a share. I'll just double check that. I think I've got that right. Oh, 201. Oh my God, I was even closer. 201. How low did it go? Oh my gosh, it went to 203. Well, that's okay. That is okay. I do not mind. I'm okay. Would have liked it to have gone to 201, but it didn't. But very close to there. I would have picked up another share of Tesla, but I'm overextended. I don't need to buy anything. This is why I keep setting ridiculously low limits, and if I get them, I get them. If I don't, I don't. It's not an end of the world. However, what is the end of the world is something that happened today. Something that happened today to me. Not everybody's in yet, so I'm going to tell you in a minute. What could be the end of the world today? Very frustrating. I'm going to give you a few clues and see if anyone can guess what I did, which is the most silliest thing I have ever done. And I'll give you a couple of clues in a minute and see who can work it out. Going to give you a couple of clues and see who can work it out. All right. So today has been a test of metal, no doubt about it. Back up again. I knew it would sell off. It's recovering again. Hopefully third Friday in a row green. Let's see what happens. You bought a new iPhone. Well, that's funny you say that, actually. I haven't bought a new iPhone, but really weird that you said I bought a new iPhone. Really, really weird that you just said I bought an iPhone. Is there some cameras in here? Well, obviously we know there's cameras in here, but is there cameras in here when I'm off air and Mike's watching in? I feel a bit worried now. Has Mike got special cameras in here that I can't see? That oh my gosh! I mean, what's going on? How come? You guessed very close, Mike. You're not on it, but buy some or all space. Yeah, I am now being investigated by the SEC because I own every share of Virgin Galactic. In fact, they're going to bring me in soon and have a conversation. I'm going to be like Elon Musk going in and firing everybody and going, right, can we start flying these rockets, please? I know you're not ready, but I want to fly today. But we need FAA approval. Scrub that. You've got approval from YouTube. We're going up today. Yeah, that's not quite what happened. Look how Google's rallied. You bought a new computer. No. Look how Google's rallied. One of the best companies in the world being dramatically sold off, and I've been buying all the way down. The lowest I got to was 87, 86, and 85. So there you go. There's my last three. 87, 86, and 85. And there was loads of 88, 89. That's why I'm still down 13%. But boy, that's gonna rally soon. Anyway, getting back to where we were. So I think have we got everybody here? Right. I'll find out if we've got everybody here. Where's Bill? I'm really you know, we all know what Bill's like. I'm worried about Bill now because he didn't win today, and I think he was kind of expecting to win, as I explained. Oh, there's Bill. There's Bill. How are you, Bill? I'm worried about you, Bill, because you wasn't here after the competition, and I thought you'd be upset because you couldn't have tried harder to win, right? He's here. I'm glad he's here because you never said anything when the guy won. I thought you were upset because you watched every video like a million times. But like I said, it helps the channel, but it doesn't give you more chances of winning. Everyone gets one chance to win. It helps the channel. I know that's why I did it. But I was wondering not to worry. Oh, good. I'm glad you're all right because I thought you'd be upset thinking I watched every video 50 times and I still didn't win. It only picks you once. Everybody had one ticket. We watched them live too. Yeah, I know. You watched them live too. Building your channel. Thank you, Bill. I appreciate it. I just didn't want you to be upset because you worked so hard. Everybody, I know you watched them live as well, Mike. In addition to all of that, Bill watched each one like 500 times. Anyway, so what's the news? All right, did you miss the news this morning, Seb Dean? About Virgin Galactic. Did you hear that? Anyway, I'll repeat that later about Virgin Galactic. Okay, what happened? Let me get to. We want 20 likes in 1 minute. 20 likes in 1 minute. Let's do it. Once we got 20 likes, I'll tell you because not everyone's liked the video yet. All right, 20 likes in 1 minute. Let's put a 1 minute on the clock. 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. Had to go on a shopping run. Okay, I will tell you. What was the reason for Tesla's drop? Everything on the market is sold off in the same sector. All the EV sold off. So it's got nothing to do with Tesla at all. It's just a general sell-off because the market's pumped this morning and then they sold off. That's all it is. It's just the markets. It's just all the scalpers and traders. That's all it is. Doesn't concern me in the slightest. Right. Smash the like button. I need 20 likes and then I'll tell you what happened. $15 likes. We need 5 more likes. What's going on? All right, what's happening? You won an iPhone. It's really weird that Mike's talking about my iPhone. Okay, so here's what happened. We've only got 16 likes, but I'm going to tell you. Because this is what you get when you come early. For those that come late, you miss out on the secrets. Okay, so has anyone noticed something not happening now that always happens? I want to see how attentive you are. What is happening? What is not happening that always happens? You know what happens when I stream. You know where I stream to. You know what goes on. What is not happening right now? Okay, I want you to work it out. What is not happening right now? Tell me what's not happening right now. There's something different in my stream. What is it? Mike, tick. What are you saying about tick? You aren't asking for likes. Yeah, I'm not fleecing everybody out of $10 super chats. No. What is it? You're not reviewing the tea? I am reviewing the tea. I'm drinking the tea every day, Bill. Every day Leah brings me different tea in. So what am I not doing now? You messed up on TikTok. That's close enough. Okay. I'm not on TikTok. I'm not on TikTok right now. Correct. I'm not on TikTok. How do I stream on TikTok? How do I go like, why would I not be on TikTok right now? I'm not banned. Which is the answer? I love the tea, Bill. The tea is wonderful. Every day, yes. Mike is correct. I normally go on my phone. Correct. I've got no phone. Right. You're virtually there now. Someone guessed it. My nice iPhone XS Max was in my pocket when I jumped in the swimming pool. And it remained there for 45 minutes while I did my water aerobics. And when I got out, I said, where the bloody hell's my phone? I thought I'd lost my phone. And guess what? My phone was in my pocket. And so it had spent 45 minutes in a swimming pool with chlorine. So it's not nice fresh water. And it was off. It had gone off. It was on in my pocket. It had gone off. So obviously that doesn't look good, does it? And it's been sitting. Leah, have you got that bag? Are you out there, babe? No. So right now the iPhone is in a bag with silica gel and it still isn't working. So I've been trying all afternoon to buy a new iPhone and no one's got one anywhere. Rice, I was told not to use rice. Silica gel is better because the rice has got a lot of dust. You can achieve the same thing with the silica gel. So I've got lots of bags of silica gel. So I'm using that. It's the same as rice, but without... anyway, I dropped mine and I dropped mine and struck my iPhone with the mower once. It sucks. Yeah, bloody right. It's a bloody $1,200 phone. At least it was when I bought it. It's worth like 50p now, but anyway. Anyway, so there we are. I've got no iPhone. So if anyone's texting me right now, I can't get your number. I dropped one in the toilet one time. Oh God, everyone sat on the toilet. I hope it was clean. I hope it was the toilet after you'd flushed. It was nice and clean. I hope it wasn't like, you know. Anyway, I get about 50 silica gel pack every cannabis order. Want them? I have about 300. No, I've got plenty. Bill. So yeah, the tea. I don't know. At the end of the day, Leah keeps putting different tea that you sent me in a cup. And at the end of the day, when I go out, I give a little tick and I go, I like that one. And she tells me which one it was. That's all I can tell you, Bill, right now. iPhone stories always cause great stories. Anyway, there you go. Now then. Thanks, Leah. Yeah. Anyway, call me whatever you like. Call me a mind reader, genius, amazing, whatever you like. Exactly what happened today happened. I said it would go up. I said it would go back down afterwards. And I didn't say it would go up and down. That's kind of obvious. I said it would go up. I said it would go back down. And there we are. It was a full test of metal this afternoon because I was $1,000 under. And remember, we've already had 8% down on Fed day. So FOMC day, Wednesday. So this was a big test. But however, if we end up today in the green on a Friday, be the third Friday in a row. So what is happening here? People are asking me. I get a lot of messages. Should I buy this? Should I buy that? Why is it going up? Why is it going down? Nobody knows, but I will tell you, if you go across the whole of my sector, look, it has the same pattern. Look, everything went up, down, and look, everything went up, down, and back again, up again. So it's got nothing to do with any individual stock. Look, every single one has the same pattern. Every single one. Unless you've got some random crazy stock, like Mullen, or you've got my Arrival here. Have a look. See, Arrival's not coming back up again, and not particularly. All the quality companies, all the big caps, they're all doing the same thing. And basically what's happening is people are fearful, people are trying to scalp money, and good luck to them. I'm not doing that right now. And good luck to you if you're doing it. People are shorting it, goes down, it goes up again. It's just going backwards and forwards, backwards and forwards. I'm not playing that game. I just keep buying the all-time lows. And as I knew 100%, look at how Google has improved. Should we look at it over the week? Can't really see it. There we go. See how it's improved since this morning. It's been getting better all day. Yeah, I like it. I like where it's going. Anyway, there we go. So no magic, nothing amazing to report really. It's just, in fact, if you look at the ones that lost the most money, this is interesting. Look at Apple. We've got thunderstorms here, tornadoes coming over as well. If the power goes out, I've got backup power. You won't even know it. I'll get a little siren go off. I'll transfer to the backup power, and we'll be good. So we're expecting power cuts any moment. We've got tornadoes on the ground within miles of here. So things aren't particularly that good. And if we get a tornado siren in this area, I'll be in the cupboard. But we'll see what happens. Anyway, the stocks that got beat up the worst, Google, Microsoft, Meta, for instance, have been steadily climbing because they didn't have that big drop off, really, did they? They were low and they just went sideways and coming up, because that to me looks like that they've not bottomed, but 100%, but nobody really wants to sell them down anymore, which is good, right? Which is good, which gives the sentiment that they've oversold. Time to buy in. Anyway, that's just my thought. That's why I've bought these three big caps. I'm sure you don't agree with me. A lot of people don't. A lot of people saying I'm being absolutely ridiculous buying Meta, but I don't see it that way. Let's have a look at Microsoft. Is it all registering at overbought? Let's have a look. Is the RSI up? Yeah, the RSI is up. Mum's birthday. We got Bill's mum's birthday this afternoon. Right, her name is Renate. Is that Renate or Renate? Renate. Bill's mum. We shall do that then in today's show. Fantastic. Now then, Shad. Is Shad here today? Is Shad here? I've got to send Shad his... Got to find out what Shad wants from the shop. And Crag, okay. Crag, I've got to send you some money. So, Crag, could you send me a message on Discord, please? And I want to send you some money this afternoon. Live on the show. Crag, can you come into Discord, please? So I can confirm it's you and send you some money. All right. Who are you on? Who are you on Discord? All right. Crag won the start. Yeah. Crag won the. It was Shad who won the money, and it was Crag. I know that because I've still got it here. Yeah, Crag was the winner of the star prize. Shad won the Twitch. Yep. I know. Thanks for telling me, though. I appreciate it. Look, there's Shad. There's Crag. He won the... this was funny, wasn't it? Shad, literally the last person left. Renata. Got it. Renata. Good. I've got it. Thank you. Don't say sorry. Don't say sorry, Mike. You never say sorry. You apologize. You bow before no one, says the Lord of the Rings. Right. Oh, the thunderstorms are outside now. Can you just come into general chit chat or welcome all? And I don't know if you're already. I don't know if I've upgraded your account yet. Come into welcome all, and just Where is all of the members gone? I want to try and find the members. How do I find the members? They've disappeared on this channel. Where is it? Pin messages. Show member list. I found it. I found it. Are you in there now? Let's have a look. So you are saying Crag MCK. There. Crag MC2. There he is. Crag MC. There he goes. Right, there he goes. Crag. You are a member. You're new. So I need to upgrade you. I need to give you status now on... here you are. I found you. I'm going to give you YouTube status now. So scroll down. My God, it's bad outside. We've got thunderstorms. Tornado Alley here. Member. There you go. I've made you a member now. And on here, we know you as Crag. So we're going to give you a nickname as well. Nickname. Crag. C-R-A-G. So everybody can talk to you and know who you are. There you go. And I've given you your role. Yep, you've got the role of YouTube member. Okay, Crag. Now I want to message you. Whoops-a-daisy. Now I want to send you a message. Okay. Add as a friend. There you go. And on top of that, so Crag won the star prize. So Crag, here is the shop. Choose something from the shop and send me then your address in this private message. Don't do it yet because you're live on the screen. There you go. I'll take you off the screen now. And there you go. Go to the shop, tell me what you want, give me your address, and I shall send it to you. Now, is Shad here? Because Shad, I've got to give him some money. I've got, it looks like I've got Shad's Cash App, so I can do that with Shad. Right, we're all good now. I've taken care of everybody. Taken care of everything. There we go. There you go. Everyone's taken care of. Brilliant. I will send Shad his money in a minute. In fact, I'll do it as we're talking. Get Shad paid, and then we're all good. Crag, if you want to pick what you want, that would be awesome. Right. Going to send some money to... to Shad. Okay, we've got day trader Martyn. We're trying to call in. Oh, we're trying to call in. You want to call in? I've got to open up the broadcast lounge then because you can't call in. You can't call in. You got no chance. Right. Ale, I've opened up the broadcast lounge. You can now call in. $10. Right. You can go in there now. Look, there we go. I'm going to send $10 now to Shad. All right. Shad's not here. Pay. Shad Street. There he is. I found him. I found him. Right, the broadcast lounge is now open if anybody wants to call in. You said you wanted to call in, so you can call in. Ale. Okay. God, if you could hear the thunderstorm outside here today, you wouldn't believe it. It's banging. We've got hail coming in a minute as well, so it could be all quite exciting. Right, is Shad here? I'm sending you $10. Your cash prize for today. I'm just sending it to you right now. There you go, all sent. Let's get back to the stocks, see where we are. Martyn, you're trying to call in. The broadcast lounge is open now. Oh, there you are. There we go. Let me go into the broadcast lounge. There we go. Let's bring you in. Paddy April on the line. Serving you. Right. You are. Okay. I think we're done now. So, Paddy, you are live on the Martyn Lucas channel. How are you? Turn your mic on. You've just muted yourself. You've just muted yourself. All right.
To hear anything?
There we go. We can hear you now. How are you, Ale?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Yes, very good. Right, everybody. This is Ale April from Italy. He and Paddy were there.
To do both. Yeah.
How are you?
We wanted to talk both. Yeah. Oh my God. I think there's a delay going on. Are you able to listen to hear me?
Yes, we can hear you perfectly. You're coming through perfect now.
Delay going on. Perfect. Okay, now it's perfect. Do you hear me?
You need to turn your other device off. You've got YouTube running in the background. Just use Discord.
Okay, now it's perfect. Now it's perfect. Yeah, I'm able to.
There you go. Here he is. Oh, Tom's here. We missed Tom.
Yeah. We have YouTube. We have to turn down the volume.
Yeah, turn down YouTube and just talk on Discord. We'll come back to them.
Now it's perfect. Okay.
That's better.
What are the news today? What are the news today, Martyn?
What's the news today? The news today is I dropped my phone in the bloody swimming pool and I haven't got an iPhone anymore. That's the news today.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. It's so disappointing, my God. Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
And how can you do now? What can you do now?
Nothing. I've got to get a new one. Listen, Ale. Listen. I just want to quickly, because we've got to move on to the stocks. We've got Tom, who was the DJ, as you know, at the party in Tom. Cornwall. He's live in the chat.
Absolutely,
What do you and Patty want to say to Tom? He's live in the show. He can hear you.
Okay, perfect. I'm gonna say hi to him. Yeah, hi Tom. Okay, and
brilliant. Did you enjoy the party?
Yeah, we enjoyed so much the party. It was absolutely amazing. You know it. we're also looking forward to the next one.
Yes. Next year we're going to be either in New Mexico for Virgin Galactic or New York Stock Exchange or Austin, Texas for Tesla. One of those three.
Austin, Texas.
All right. Just before I let
just
before I let you go, Ale, just say hello to everybody and then I'll let you go.
Okay, perfect. Hi to everybody. Hi to everybody, family.
Fantastic.
But also, Mom wanted to say hi. Sorry.
Go on, Paddy.
Just a minute. Hi, Marty. Hi, everyone. How are you guys?
Yeah. Thank you. It's lovely to hear you both, Paddy and Elle. Thanks for calling in, and thanks for coming to the party. Thank you ever so much. Thank you.
It's my pleasure, of course.
All right. I'm going to get back to the stocks. I'll speak to you both very soon. Thanks for calling in.
Happy birthday to Bill's mom.
Oh, happy birthday
to Renata.
Yes, Renata. Happy birthday to Renata.
Okay.
Oh,
a big
yes.
hug to
Fantastic. Happy birthday. We'll do a happy birthday in a minute. Thank you so much for wishing Bill's mum happy birthday.
To you.
Happy birthday to you.
Okay.
Brilliant. Thanks.
I had to go.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Take care. How fantastic was that? That was Paddy and Ale just calling us in. calling in to wish, as wonderful, isn't it? To wish Bill's mum a happy birthday. Absolutely great. And we'll do that in a minute. And welcome back, Tom, as a silver member of our channel. We've been talking about you the last couple of days. Cannot believe you've not been here. So many people wanting to thank you for being such a great DJ. Was a smooth voice she has. She should be a DJ. Yeah, maybe she should be my new DJ. We'll get rid of Tom. What do you reckon? Use a paper bag, not plastic. What's that for? What's that for? What's the paper bag, not plastic? What's that for, Bill? What's that for? Evening all, please do say it's the same phone as you stream with. Please do say. Sorry, boss. I had lots going on. No worries. Ayo, I was in Italy recently. If I heard correctly, you are both from Pisa. Both from Pisa, yes. If they're from Pisa. Anyway, let's get back to it. I'll open up the broadcast lounge again. So if anybody wants to call in, the broadcast lounge is now open. All right. Craig, I will go for this one with Craig on it. Okie dokie. You need to send me your address, Craig. Send me your address, okay? You can't customize it. All right, you have to choose what's there. You can't have this. This isn't for a customized one. It's for the items that are already in the shop. The customized ones I make separately. That's a completely different thing. You can't have one with your name on it now. That isn't what this deal is. The prize is an item that's already in the shop, not another item that I have to make. So just pick one of those, okay? Oh, the iPhone. Okay, put it in a paper bag, not a plastic bag. Okay, Bill. Thank you for that. I will do that. I will change that straight away. Right then, so we've got a birthday to do at the end of today's show. It's Bill's mum. His birthday. Absolutely great. So we'll do that. We've also got, and I want to invite you all to another birthday that's going to happen Sunday, 6 p.m. Sunday, 6 p.m. Central, which is 7 p.m. Eastern, which will be 11 p.m. in the UK, because we're only 5 hours behind you now. Our time zone is slightly different. And a friend of mine who is in his mid-80s, is coming round to the studio to celebrate his birthday. And I said, I know just what to do. I want to do it, and I'll get all of my day trader family to join me. So what we're going to do, I'm going to do a poll. Can you join me on Sunday evening? Can you join me on Sunday PM for one song, Happy Birthday to George. He's in his mid-80s, and he's making a special effort to come round to the house, round to the studio, and we're going to just go live and do one happy birthday song for him. And I'm hoping that everybody can be here. It's a big deal. He's in his mid-80s, right? Can you join me on Sunday evening for George? Yes or no? If you can, he'll be here with me, right next to me at the piano, and we're going to sing happy birthday. Now, we'll be on the Martyn Lucas music channel. So if you've not got that, of course, I will give you the channel, and I'll go live on Sunday evening. Okay, so let me give you the channel right now so you can all be there with me. I hope you will. Let me give you... You can find the channel. It's on the homepage of my YouTube channel, of course. You know where it is. Okay. Okay. Here is the link, just so you make sure that you've got it all tagged. Sunday evening. There is the link. This is a special event, really. Let's be honest. There you go. Hopefully you can all make it. Okay. Good. Hard to believe the party was 3 weeks ago. Yeah, can you believe it, Tom? Can you believe it was 3 weeks ago? Of course, absolutely. It'd be amazing on Sunday night. Just one song. Happy birthday. George will be sat next to me. There we go. How many people are voting to come? Let's have a little look. 8 votes. So 7 people already. Brilliant. It's going to be on the Martyn Lucas channel. So I will send you the link. I'll post it in the community tab here on YouTube on the Day Trade on the Martyn Lucas channel, and then you will have it on the music channel. Okay, right. We're up now, 1.72. We're getting the rally into the close. Today has gone exactly the way I predicted it. Third week on a row. This is really, really great. I want to wish everybody a happy Friday. We've been through a lot of pain this week with the Fed report, but it's all about your mettle. Can you take the punishment? Remember, I keep saying it's always about how much pain you can take, not how hard you can punch. Quick commercial break. I'll be right back in 10 seconds from now. Here we go. Okay, there we go. The S&P is picking up. So, for those of you that weren't here this morning, we have a really big idea. And I think it's going to be really one of the biggest things, if not potentially the biggest thing I have ever done. And I'm going to tell everybody about it once everybody comes back from the break. So we'll put a 1 minute on the clock, and I want 30 likes in 1 minute. And I think what I'm proposing is going to be the biggest thing I have ever done in my life. And I think it can be great for everybody, every single person here. Put 1 minute on the clock. I want 30 likes. Here we go. Get ready for it. We've got huge storms outside. Liz Smith, I was there in the pool. Oh, hello, Liz Smith. Liz Smith is here. She was with me in the pool this morning. I am also sitting listening to the storm. Look at this. This lady was in the pool with me this morning. Liz Smith, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. Oh, my flipping heck. Amazing. Right. Liz Smith, welcome to the family. Smash the like button. You've got 20 seconds to go. We need 30 likes in the next, 18 seconds. I cannot believe Liz Smith is here. How cool is that? How are you, Liz? Come on, smash the like button. Smash it. 8 seconds to go. I need 30 likes. Quick, 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 quick. There you go. How many have I got up? 22. We're nearly there. Nearly there. Liz Smith. Could everybody please welcome a friend of mine who was swimming with me today doing water aerobics. Absolutely brilliant. What's the chances of that? What's the chances of that? Isn't that amazing? Never get anybody pop in like that. That's brilliant. Right. Okay. So, Liz Smith, welcome to our show. Would everybody please welcome her in? Would everyone please put your city and country in the chat? And I'm going to tell you what we're going to do right now. The biggest thing that we could ever do on this channel. Right, would everybody please put your city and country in? And there you go. Right, now Lynn, listen to me now. This is what we're going to do. If you missed it this morning, this is what we're going to do.